time has come. Execute Order 66.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. It's your guy, it's the Belly, here with another unboxing, another Star Wars Black Series unboxing. And let's see, today we have Mr. the guy, Gaslight Extraordinaire, Mr. If playing chess not checkers was a person, Emperor Palpatine. I love this box. I got this box in the mail when I got my order in. This packaging is this thing's top notch, no doubt. I love it. Real unique. This is definitely one for the shelf. But you know my Black Series, Star Wars Black Series figures. Yeah, man, they look too good to be in the box. But anyway, let's see. We got the Emperor Palpatine and throne. Alright, so I already pre-cut the outside, so let's see. Let's this up. Oh. Wait, no, that's Jabba. Sorry, wrong character. Let's see. I am the Senate. Yeah, that's better. Alright, anyway. Yo, man, I had too much fun with this stuff, man. Y'all gotta forgive me. I'm a goofball sometimes. But yo, I love it. He's got the throne. He's got the chair. Got the Force lightning. He's got like 2 different extra heads. Homie got the cane for that feeble body of his. Oh man, this is dope. I've been wanting to get my hands on a throne. I already have the single figure. I don't have the chair, the throne. I've been looking around on eBay. They're a little too expensive for my liking. But I ran across this on Amazon. They had a pretty decent deal, so I had to pick them up. Alright, let's get this. Let's see here. Get this open. Nice. Oh, damn, he's separate. Okay, that's some. Huh. Okay, that works. Start with that. That is a dope throne. That's what I'm talking about. I think they were selling these on eBay, like the chair by itself, like 40, 50 bucks. I'm like, nah. Let's see. Let's get this plastic out of here. So it looks like it's only a little stiff there. I'll have to Rod is setting in his old age. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Step him up right there. King. Dang. These extra heads are stuck in this plastic. So, yeah, he comes with different heads with different expressions. Got one where he's got this evil, like, that's a creepy guy, man. It's just like, remind me of the old guy. What's the old guy from Family Guy? Was it Herbert? So, hey, Chris, get your fat ass over here. Anyway, oh man, yeah, I guess this is the intense face. I guess that's when he's using the Force lightning. It's dope. I mean, this guy's hella nasty, man. I'm telling you, talking about. My man played the long game with the politics, which resulted in the destruction of the Jedi Order, and the birth of the Galactic Empire. Yeah, this dude's a real villain. I want to do a side by side with the other release because I don't remember him having this little. I wonder. Hold on. Let's see. Oh yeah, exact same guy. Okay, yeah. Looks like boots. Yeah, I'm over the side over there. Got him over there looking like a shadow clone. All you Naruto fans out there. I'll just put him over there. Let's see. Let's try. Let's see this. It don't take much effort to take the hands out. I thought I might have to heat it up with a heat gun or something, but like it slides right out. Okay. Okay. Nice. Let's see if the heads. Okay. That's a nice look. The Force lightning. Definitely a dope figure. I can get with it. me switch back. See how he looks in his chair. Let's see. Let's switch to. Oh yeah, that's the man right there. Let's look Kane over there. That's nice. Oh, okay. But yeah, that's a good. This is a really good figure. The figure is nice. It really captures. This takes me back. I remember watching Return of the Jedi when I was a kid. Was that 83? Man, I'm really showing my age. But anyway, yeah, man, I really love Star Wars, and I know I've really been doing a lot of Star Wars figures. I guess next up unboxing I'll probably do something maybe I don't know, maybe a G.I. Joe classified unboxing or something like that. But yeah, so got another one for the shelf. Dope fig, man, dope fig. Alright, have a good one. See you next time.
It's the belly.